What's up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back if you're not. My name is Phylicia and this is Beautiful Green, which is the 4C hair family. Today I am going to go ahead and show you a detailed video of how I do my 3-strand twist. I am not doing flat twist today, the 3-strand flat twist. If you have not seen the 3-strand flat twist video, I will post it in the link below. But I'm just gonna go ahead and do the 3-strand twist out. If you want to see a detailed video on flat twist, then I'll link that video below as well. So let's go ahead and get to it. I know I'm looking a hot mess. Don't tell me in the comments. I'm about to transform. Happy Valentine's Day for everybody out there. By the time you see this video, Valentine's Day will have come and gone. So happy Valentine's Day. I hope your Valentine's Day was awesome. What I did? Absolutely nothing. I Netflixed and chilled by myself, and that was okay because I got to watch all my movies I wanted to watch. I got to drink so much wine, which I don't get to do, so I was loving it. I was in my element and I was tipsy. So you guys, my hair's already washed and all that. Pretty sure you guys figured that out by now. It's already washed and it was stretched, but I'm gonna be honest, I'm just not doing this video. Alright, so the product that I'm using is all over the place. There's not a specific line that I'm using. So first thing first, it's my favorite, one of my favorite gels at the moment. Curly Magic Curl Stimulator. Then I'm using the moisturizer from TGIN, the Curl Full Daily Moisturizer. And then for a sealant to, seal the moisturizer in, I'm using Alikay Naturals. I'm using Alikay Naturals Essential 17 Hair Growth Oil. So those are all the products I'm using. Like I said, they're everywhere. But they're gonna give me the best results. I already knew it. Am I the only one who hand hurt? Oh my god. Alright, you guys, so I am finished for the day. And let me give you guys a close-up on what's going on here. Using my 3-strand twist out. And I shall see you guys in a couple days because I am tired. What's up, you guys? So, in between when I do my hair, I kind of just slap on something because I don't take it out right away. So this style, I just put a hat on and yeah, keep it moving, y'all. And there's no school today. It's President's Day. Happy President's Day. So I'm taking the girls to my errands because that's what I do. All right, y'all, I'm back. It's been some days. So I am tired. I'm not gonna even lie, but we're gonna go ahead and take these things out. They have been sitting for some days, so let's see. Already. Separated some of them. I didn't want to separate them too much because I didn't want it to frizz up. But yeah, you guys, so this is my 3-strand twist out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All the videos that I mentioned from recent posts, I'll link them down below. And if you have not subscribed to my 4C Hair family, go ahead and press the subscribe button if you would like, so you can just stay updated with me. But until next time, bye.